Hey guys, so today I'm sharing with you all of my favorite lipsticks to wear during the fall. Also, I will be putting on each lipstick throughout this video so that you can see how it applies and so that you can see like what it looks like on. I would love to try a couple of your favorite lipsticks that you guys like wearing during the fall, so let me know, comment down below your favorite lipstick and I will certainly do some hunting around. So yeah guys, that is all of the lipsticks that I have to share with you. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I had a lot of neutrals, browns, purples. Those tend to be my type of colors that I gravitate towards during the fall months. But I wanted to say that I do have the coconut oil. I use this to like scrub off each of the, not scrub off, I use this coconut oil to wipe off all of the lip colors, and that really saved my lips because all that rubbing, especially during the cold, can really damage my lips. But I do have the I Love Sarah ColourPop 951 shade on right now. I think I'm going to top it with the Bite Beauty. I want to say these Bite Beauty lipsticks have like the sweet scent, and it's such an experience. I love these Bite Beauty lipsticks, liquefied lipsticks. They are so pretty and creamy. I just love how they look on my lips too. These two are probably my go-tos out of all of them, and the shade of ColourPop. The Jouer I wear with like specific types of looks, but all of these I love, and they'll probably be worn very much this fall. So yeah, don't forget to let me know what your favorite lipstick is for the fall. I would love to know, and I'll probably be doing some investigating. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!